I'm Andy Pilgrim for Automobile Magazine. Today, I'm excited to say we have the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk to test. So we're here at Motorsport Park in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I mean, this is the ultimate, grocery getter. It's an SUV. It's got loads of room in it. It's very comfortable to drive. It steers well, handles well. It's just a great utility vehicle, which is what they are. But this one's got 707 horsepower and 645 foot-pounds of torque. It's a 2.4 litre supercharger, and it produces 11.6 pounds of pressure, shoving air into the 6.2 litre V8. But then again, it is shifting along 5,258 pounds of mass. I mean, it is an SUV. Transmission's been beefed up. It's an 8-speed transmission, and it's been beefed up. Apparently, the capability for it is 811 foot-pounds of torque. And with only having 645, I'm thinking that they're thinking people are going to put more power in this thing, and we'll give them a transmission that can take it. 180 mile an hour top speed. And you can tow 7,200 pounds. So you can tow 7,200 pounds at 180 miles an hour. Now, if that's true, you better have some good brakes. 15.7-inch rotors, Brembos. We're gonna blast around with this thing and just see how it does on track, because the name is Trackhawk. So there you go. Probably should be Track Hammer. Coming into turn 1. Got to use a bit of the curbing here. Try to get it rotate. It's pretty good rotation actually. That's an excellent exit. Brake. Apparently this thing can stop from 70 miles an hour in about 160 feet. Right now it's gripping amazingly well. Hardly any understeer. I'm sure that will probably change when the temperature gets hotter. 120, 25. I better start for this turn right here. Come on, give me a rotation. Come on. Okay, bit late turning in there. Got carried away looking at the speedo. Oh yeah, the understeer's here, but no surprise. It's not a Ferrari, is it? Oh yeah, curb helped a little bit there. Come on, rotate. Gimme. Yeah, good. Yeah, I like it. That was excellent. That transmission is brilliant. You can hear it spitting on the shifts. I mean, it's not a double clutch, it's just a regular automatic, but... Oh yeah, slow corner here. Coming up to the infamous curving at turn 12. Got a rotator in here. It's an SUV, we have to use the curb, right? Yeah, I'm gonna get the groceries, Mum. I'll be back in a minute. Tabletop over 125 through there. We gotta go. Okay, stop. Rotate. Okay, hold on. Yeah, give me some more rotation. Come on. Yeah, the traction control is not all the way off, but I can sort of understand why they probably don't let it go all the way off. Okay, very tight. Right-hander here. 19. Oh, very nice. Thank you. That was good. Because I didn't use the throttle, it let me rotate. All right, up the hill here, 20. Gotta just stay inside here, otherwise I'll be pushing till next Wednesday. Onto the front straightaway. Bit of understeer. Oh yeah, that was good. All right, 100, 110. 20, a bit of brake. Does a Jeep Grand Cherokee sort of make sense at $86,995? That's a lot of money. I can certainly see people having one of these in their collection. This thing puts a smile on my face, not just because I'm on a racetrack. I mean, it's a great vehicle. It's practical, and it's an expensive SUV. The expensive side, it's because it's got mega performance, massive brakes, massive power. They've done a nice job with the chassis, considering the weight of the vehicle and everything else. I keep saying it, but in this day and age, hats off to any of the car manufacturers who produce cars like this. Is it fun? Oh yeah, a lot of fun. Well done, Jeep.
Yeah, that's holy.
Told you. Told you, buddy. Told you. Told you.
That might be good for the outtakes.